48 hours. That's all gold has before it decides its big move. Not next week, not tomorrow. The next 2 days will decide whether gold crashes again or trap everyone and explodes up. Traders will be on the wrong side. Let me tell you what's really happening. Just a few weeks ago, gold was unstoppable. It hits record high, everyone was bullish, and then suddenly it crashed. In fact, gold is now heading for a biggest move monthly fall in 17 years. But here's the strange part. This is war, global tension and fear everywhere, and gold is still falling. Why? Okay, if we have seen the dollar index, gold is fighting not the market, it is fighting much bigger than that is USD dollars DXY. Okay, right now money is flowing into the dollars, not gold. Dollar is a multi-month high, around 100 plus levels. Here's the rules most traders ignore. DXY goes up, gold struggle even if there is a war. If there is a fear that exactly happening right. See, if you look at the 15-minute chart, what we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, and this is the trend it is trying to follow. Remember that as soon as it touches a level of around 4516, what we can see, it can bounce back from that level again and go again towards this particular level of 4635 level, because this is the trend it is following. But if it started breaking this level below a level of 4505, then this trend can be breaks towards downside. So remember that if the price goes below a level of 4500, we can see a further fall. But if it bounce back and sustain above 4556, it will go further upside and again go towards a level of $4580, and then it will move towards a level of next level of 4618. Okay, this is the trend it is following. So we can see it will move over level of 4618, and a probability of going towards further higher towards 4667 can be seen. So what best you can do, that if the price keep moving above a level of 4530, we can see, and if this candle is again green, so probability is high it can go further high, and once started going above a level of 4559, we can see there can be a further rise. Okay, this is a 15-minute chart. But if you see 2 hours chart, we have seen clear opposite U pattern is forming after there is an upside. Remember that as soon as the price started going below 4520, there is a chances that it will fall further down, and from there it will go directly towards 4491. Okay, and then this pattern will support downside because it is clear opposite U pattern is forming, and chances of going towards a level of around 4491, from there a level of 4470, and if it started going below this level, chances of going towards a level of 4450 to a level of 4420, and then a pattern can break toward downside of around 4400, and then it will move towards 45, now towards a level of $43.80, and then a further fall can be seen. This is the pattern showing downside. But if it started rising above this level, it can move towards 45.82. From there it will go above level 46.24, then there will be a zone breakout, so further high can be seen towards 46.50, and then a further high can be seen $15. So at least will capture upside as well as downside movement. Now coming back on a daily chart, which is very important you to understand how the price of gold is moving on such a volatility, geopolitical tensions, as well as with the dollar index and other inflations data. If you see this pattern, we have seen that it is trying to form in this particular manner. Okay, this pattern is not being fulfilled. So if the price keeps moving above a level of 5249, keep this in mind that this is the important level. Okay, on weekly chart also and a day wise chart also, that if the price sustain above this level, a further upside can be seen. But if you see a smaller pattern, this pattern is important as of now. Okay, forget about this pattern till the time the price is not going above this level. Smaller pattern is supporting this opposite U pattern. So suppose if the price started falling below today's low of around 44.83, chances are high it can go further down, because this candle will turn out again to a red candle, and then we can see it will fall below a level of $44.20, which is support 2. And once the price fall below that level, we can see a level of $43.77, and if the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching 43.39 is there. Okay, then this trend will move downside and chance of touching 43.07 can be seen, and then after 43.07, chances are high it will cross a level of $40.88, because this pattern is supporting downside. So trail your SL by around $15 if the price keep falling below a level of around today's low, that is $44.80 around. But suppose if it started coming up, what you can see, suppose if it started rising, we can see a level of $45.84. See, these analyses are purely based on price action, resistance and support. Okay, so always try to put your SL so that capital will be safe, and trail your SL so profit will be safe. Suppose if it started rising off this level, it can touch a level of around $46.02. From there, a further upside can be seen towards 46.09 after crossing a level of 45.84, because we have seen the prices moving in this zone. Okay, this pattern will support downside only when it will break a level of $44.80. But if it keep moving over level of 45.84, chances are high it will go further upside and move towards 46.09, and from there it will go above 46.21. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout, so probability is high it will cross a level of $47.41, and then we can see the price will rise above 48.72. And if the price going above this level, probability of touching 49.79 can be seen. Okay, so 45.84 is an important level. So if the price keep moving over this level, a further upside can be seen. Trail your SL by around $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture upside movement. So after 45.84, probability of crossing 46.21 will be there, and once started crossing that level, we can see a level of 47.34, and then to a level of $48.66 can be seen. Okay, these are the levels which is very important you to understand. If you see what we have seen, dollar weaken even slightly, gold will squeeze to 5,000 fast, and the scary part, the move will be fast, no second chance. So don't predict, wait, watch and react, because in the next 48 hours gold is not just moving, it's setting up a trap. The only question is, will you see it or be a part of it? Thank you.